Social activist R.K. Sanayaima claimed that the state requires a people-centric democratic government to strengthen the collective identity among the diverse communities, emphasizing the need to replace wealthy and influential politicians with leaders who truly represent the interest of the people. He made this statement while attending the 46th Foundation Day of Kwasipai Youth's Volunteer Organization KYVO Kwasipai under the theme Manipur, the Way Forward, held at Kwasipai Mamang Ibudho Pakhangba Laibung today. The event honored students who achieved distinction marks in examinations conducted by BOSEM, COSEM, and CBSE, as well as players from Kwasipai village who earned medals at national and international levels. Speaking further, Ningthemcha Sanayaima highlighted the era where Constitution Act of Manipur was passed in 1948 after Manipur got independence on August 14 in 1947 from the British colonial rule. He claimed that since Manipur's merger with India in 1949, the state, which once was self-sufficient in food, has become dependent on the central government and now relies on government-distributed rice. He further urged the community to increase agricultural production to achieve sustainability, noting that Manipur currently relies heavily on external markets as a captive market of India.
liquid oxygen that number use she will send them up other things to other hing the one of that hing of one of the if you look about agriculture and the Imphal we say economy and the premium hook so we should make low hook other you go down the Chita, the